IR Google lang, I'm going to discuss about transnational religion in multiple localizations. Transnational religion is a religious group or movements that spread across different countries to connect people, build society, and form relationship as well. These religions keep their unique beliefs and practices, but they will to adjust their practices to fit different countries or different culture. There's so many types of transnational religion. One of them is migration and religion. The great example of that is pre-colonial period when the Spaniards come to our countries to invade us. At the same time, they spread their religion to us. And of course, it shaped our identity, the way of life, how we communicate, and how we interact as of course. And it becomes of one of the used religion in our country. And another types of transnational religion is technology and communication. Nowadays, since our technologies it become advanced, there's some religion take advantage it. For example, uh, Christianity. They they post videos, live pictures to influence other people, and they show how their uh, beliefs or how to engage, no, using of technology. Multiple localizations is a combination of two distinct words. Globalization is a glo and localizations is a localizations. It shows how a religion keeps its worldwide identity but also changes or adapt to fit the local traditions or customs. The good example of multiple localizations is global McDonald's. McDonald's is known for the iconic menu such as Big Macs, fries, and Happy Meals. The McDonald's marketing strategies is to change their menu a little bit, but they will to change it for the local culture to make customer satisfied, increase their customers, and uh, yeah, increase their consumers. For example, in India, McDonald's offer a McAloo Tikki burger made with spiced potatoes patties instead of beef. Uh, the most India religious is a Muslim. That's why they're forbidden eat a beef. That's why McDonald's offer a McAloo Tikki burger made made by spiced potato patties instead of beef. That's a great example of that. And another example in Japan. Since a teriyaki sauce known as most favorite sauce in Japan, that's why McDonald's offer a teriyaki sauce in their burger. It says the McDonald's is a global brand. It adapts to local cultures and food preference, showing how globalizations and localization work together. This is a multiple localizations. Religious universalisms is a truth or teaching applied to all people. It says there are some of religious, their beliefs or values are not just for their family, their themselves, happiness or culture, but for everyone. Example, Christianity core of a message of love and salvation is for everyone. Local particularism. It says how a religion might change or be practiced in different cultures even though they have original beliefs or practices. Now, the summary of this topic is demonstrate how religion maintain a global identity but adjust to fit a local culture and creating a unique mix of universal teachings and local traditions. Uh, it says religion can be both universal and locally adapted at the same time. Thank you.